Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Adnan Haikal bin Muhammad Najib. So today, I want to explain my part in the compound interest chapter. For the question we got from set B, case study 1 is, you have won 100,000 from a lucky draw contest. So, you plan to invest the money for 3 years at either of two different banks, Megah and Mewah Bank. So, from the question already gave, their face value, which is P equal to RM 100,000 from the lucky draw contest, and terms or time period in years, which is T equal to 3 years. Next, both banks have given the interest rate offers, which is for the Megah Bank, nominal interest rate is annual interest rate in percents, which is K equal to 4.85%, divided by 100 equal to 0.0485, and for M is number of compounding periods in years. So, for Megah Bank is compounded semi-annually, which is M equal to 2, while for Mewah Bank, K is equal to 4.45%, and divided by 100 is equal to 0.0445. While for Mewah Bank, compounded every 4 months, which is M is equal to 3. So, the question is A. Calculate the total interest for each bank. For Megah Bank, first of all, we need to enter all the information we got earlier into the formula. And after you get all of the information, you need to substitute into the formula, which is S equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket N power of N. And then, you get the final answer, which is S equal to RM 115,461 and 14 cents. After you get this final answer of future value, which is S, you need to substitute into the formula I equal to S minus P, which is the formula to find the total interest for Megah Bank. And then, you get the final answer, which is I equal to RM 15,461 and 14 cents. For Mewah Bank, it's the same as Megah Bank, but it will be different for M and K. So, for Mewah Bank, first of all, after you get all this value, we need to enter all the information into the formula. And after you get all of the information, you need to substitute into the formula, which is S equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket N power of N. And then, you get the final answer, which is S equal to RM 114,170 and 13 cents. After you get this final answer of future value, which is S, you need to substitute into the formula I equal to S minus P, which is the formula to find the total interest for Mewah Bank. And then, you get the final answer, which is I equal to RM 14,170 and 13 cents. So, next question is B. Which bank should you choose to invest in based on your answer in question A? The answer based on question A is, for the conclusion, I choose Mewah Bank to invest my money, RM 100,000 that I've won from a lucky draw from a lucky draw contest, because the total interest of Mewah Bank is lower than Megah Bank.
Thank you, Daniel. Before we go through to this question, you must read the question first. So, answer the following question C depending on the bank you selected in B. After 2 years and 2 months, the bank changed the rate to 5.2% compounded quarterly. How much should you get at the end of those 3 years of investment? Calculate the total interest paid. So first, you must find P. P means face value, T is term, K is interest rate, M is compounding periods in years. Let's take a look for this question. So let's take a look for calculation. For question B, Daniel choose Mewah Bank to invest his money. So first thing first, based on the question that has given, we know that P is 100,000, T is 3 years, K is 0.0445, and M is 4 because it says compounded quarterly. Based on this question, we need to find S. S means future value. We need to use this formula. S equal to P, open bracket, 1 plus I, close bracket, and power of N. After that, we just replace with number that I just listed in formula. So S still the same. P, we need to replace it with 100,000. And 1 still the same plus I. So for I, the formula is K per M. So K is 0.0445 and M is 3. So for N, the formula is M times T. So the T is 3 years times 2 years and 2 months. And you will get the final answer is 110,043.83 cents. After that, you need to find S2. The formula is still the same that we used on the first question. We need to replace P with 110,043.83, and the I, you need to use the new one, that is 0.052 per 4, and the N, you need to use the new one, it is 4 times 10 per 12. And for this question, we need to use the new K, that is 5.2%, divide to 100, and we will get 0.052. For M, the question said it's compounded quarterly, so M is 4. And for I, the question said after 2 years and 2 months, the bank changed the rate to 5.2% compounded quarterly. How much should you get at the end of those 3 years of investment? So you need to find the balance between 2 years, 2 months, and 3 years. If you do a raw calculation by 12 months minus 2 months, you will get 10 months. So N is 4 times 10 per 12. If you do the calculation, you will get the final answer, that is 114,885.12 cents. This question doesn't end here. The next question is calculate the total interest paid. For interest paid, we will need to use compound interest formula. That is I, mean interest charge, equal to S2 minus P. You just replace S2 with the answer from question 2 and replace P with 100,000, and you do the calculation and you will get 14,885.12 cents. That's all from me, baby.
My name is Adam. I am doing case study B in topic Annuity. The question is, Susanna is offered to study at university for 4 years. The mature insurance value is now RM 2006,400.20. Therefore, she has two choices. The first choice is to use the RM 2006,400.20 education insurance money and invest the whole amount in an account that pays 4.33% compounded monthly. Another option given by her parents is to let her parents keep the money and give her RM 505 every month during her study. The first question is, which option should Susanna choose? Justify the answer with the relevant calculate. The first question is, I would using was S equal R bracket 1 plus I bracket N minus 1 divide I. The R move to the left side and S moving to up. So next, R equal bracket 2006,400.20 divide bracket 1 plus 0.0433 divide 12 bracket of bracket 12 times 4 bracket minus 1 divide 0.0433 divide 12. So the answer is R equal RM 504.74 for every month. After that, for the question B, one is calculate the monthly payment and the interest charge. First, we need to find the R. The formula I'm using in this question is A equal R 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket of minus N divide I. 2789.1 equal R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket of minus N divide I. Next, the R move the left side equal 2789.1 right side divide 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.037 divide 12 bracket of bracket minus 12 times 36 divide 12 bracket and divide 0.037 divide 12. The answer for R is R equal RM 41.97. The last one, I want to find the interest charge. The formula I'm using in this question is I equal to the payment minus amount borrowed equal bracket 4181.97 times 36 bracket minus 2749.1. The answer is I equal RM 161.82.